Choosing the right activities is like picking the perfect outfit for a party. It's all about finding something that suits you and makes you shine. And once you've found those shining stars, it's time to set goals and manage your time like a boss. We'll show you how to juggle everything without breaking a sweat. But here's the real secret sauce: leadership and initiative. Colleges eat that stuff up like it's their favorite midnight snack. Oh, and don't forget about making a positive impact in your community, because changing the world is just what cool kids do. So get ready to showcase your passion and talent in ways that will blow colleges away. It's time to unleash your inner superstar and ace those extracurricular activities. Choosing the right extracurricular activities. Now that you know what colleges are looking for, it's time to figure out which extracurricular activities will set you apart from the competition. Finding balance is crucial because colleges want to see well-rounded individuals. Look for activities that not only build skills but also provide networking opportunities. Use this chance to explore your interests and develop teamwork abilities. Remember, being involved in something you love will make all the difference. Setting goals and managing your time. Effectively managing your time and setting clear goals is crucial to ensure success in your extracurricular pursuits. But let's be real, we all know that balancing academics and activities can feel like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Prioritizing commitments? More like trying to fit 10 pounds of stuff into a 5-pound bag. Time management strategies? Yeah, right. We'll get to those eventually. Goal setting techniques? Sure, just as soon as I finish this episode on Netflix. Overcoming procrastination? Maybe tomorrow. Demonstrating leadership and initiative. Demonstrating leadership and initiative can have a profound impact on your personal and professional growth. When you take charge and show initiative, you ignite a fire within yourself that propels you towards your goals. It's like being the captain of a pirate ship, navigating uncharted waters with your trusty crew. Effective communication is a crucial skill when it comes to leading others. By clearly conveying your expectations and goals, you ensure that everyone is on the same page. Additionally, strong communication helps build trust and fosters a positive team dynamic. Problem-solving skills are also essential for a leader. As you navigate through challenges and obstacles, your ability to think critically and find creative solutions will be invaluable. Being able to adapt and find innovative ways to overcome hurdles will set you apart as a leader. Collaboration is another key aspect of leadership. By working together with your team, you can harness the collective knowledge and skills of everyone involved. This not only fosters a sense of unity, but also leads to more effective decision-making. Speaking of decision-making, a strong leader must be able to make tough choices. Your ability to analyze situations, weigh the pros and cons, and make informed decisions will inspire confidence in your team. Demonstrating leadership and initiative is crucial for personal and professional growth. By effectively communicating, problem-solving, collaborating, and making informed decisions, you can become the ultimate swashbuckling leader, leaving a lasting impact on those around you. Making a positive impact in your community. Making a positive impact in your community is like being a superhero, but without the cape and superpowers. It's about finding volunteer opportunities and community service projects that make a real social impact. By giving back and engaging with your community, you have the power to create lasting change. So put on your invisible cape, grab your tool belt of kindness, and get ready to save the world one act of community engagement at a time. Showcasing your passion and talent. Unleash your inner superhero and show off your passion and talent to make a kick-ass impact in your community. Not only will you experience personal growth, but you'll also develop valuable skills while expressing your creativity. And hey, don't forget the networking opportunities. Connect with like-minded individuals who can help you soar even higher. Plus, all this hard work will build an impressive portfolio that'll knock the socks off college admissions officers. So there you have it, my friend. You've reached the end of this video on acing your extracurricular activities for college. Now go forth and conquer those clubs, teams, and organizations like a boss. Remember to choose activities that align with your interests, set goals, and manage your time wisely. Demonstrate leadership and initiative, make a positive impact in your community, and showcase your passion and talent. With these tips in mind, you'll be the star player in both academics and extracurriculars. Good luck!